my Bluarmor helmet intercom. So this is the C20 model. I already have the playlist ready. So the actual plan was to get the Cardo Spirit HD, but I got this for 7,000 rupees. Outer part is okay. 9,999. Not for me. I'm in MBA terms we call it early adapter. So it comes with as many risks as many rewards. So 7,000 for this. Is not okay. It's sealed here. Let's gently remove it. Okay. Okay, this must be the click dock. Wow. Weightless guys. Good, especially for a race spec helmets where weight distribution is important. Good. Definitely initial impressions. And again guys, I only needed to attend calls for the box. Super premium feel. So the click dock mechanism. What else do we got? Okay, this came off. Whoa. Okay. Okay, so let's just remove these plastic parts away and let's analyze each of the components. Okay, the most important thing, the speakers, the playlist ready obviously. So first one is unboxing, second one is connectivity and testing. Okay, so as for the playlist, they didn't install it. They first connectivity and test the intercom and then install it. I was about to directly plug it into my helmet. So okay guys, first of all I will check the intercom. I will check the interface and everything. Okay guys, so the connections are very simple. This is a click dock done. This is magnetic, but kind of definitely not DJ magnetic level, but okay, it's almost like a single part, so fine. So these are the connections done. I didn't opt for this because this helmet is already tight for me. Click dock, control unit, spacers, speakers. So where is it? What should I press? What to do? Okay, wait a minute. They said the device will go into pairing mode in the video. That's not important. How to take it to pairing mode? It hasn't gone to pairing mode. What to do? Should I click something? Okay guys, so mistake was on my side. You see this cable? This I placed it here and this I placed it here. So yes, the device will go into pairing mode. Let me show you again. You see this? I installed it in this input. If you do that, the device will get paired even if you wire it like that. See, now it's disconnected. You see, yes. Did you guys see that primary connected? Yeah, you need to get that prompt. So yep, you see that's the mistake I made. So now the connectivity and everything is done. Yeah, installation done. I also kind of like I placed it downwards, and this is how it looks. I placed the side control. So pretty much not much wiring, but I faced two major issues, guys. Reason being, I could have done a phenomenal setup. I mean, I had a good ideas, but you see this tape, sadly I don't have a proper tape. Yeah, there's a clamp mount here, so I put this remote control socket through here, and yeah, I also paper taped it. Is the cam picking it up? Yeah, see, I paper taped it so it does not damage the wire. So whenever I take the sheets off, the liners off, I will replace these with soft compound tapes so it won't damage the wire. Okay guys, so this is what I done. uh, you see the entire unit. See, this is the unit, right? This entire unit, this is the main line. So what I wanted to do is I want to, let me get a good angle. You see that point? In, you see the engineers have these grooves. So what I want to do is I want to, there is this turn here. Yeah, you see this kind of U-turn. So the cables comes from here. I want to tape them here. Actually tape them up. You see, because this this is a 3M tape and this is also a 3M tape which I already applied, but sadly they are not sticking enough. It's a very thin one, guys, literally very thin tape. This is not at all working, so I can definitely have a nice quality setup. I just need to exactly get it like this. Yes, I think this angle is perfect. Just a minute. Okay, hello guys. So initial impressions of the intercom straight out, it's kind of a bit disappointing, the audio quality, but nothing much for me because as I said, I only want it for calls and communications, so that's my primary concern. I installed the the speaker spacers. The left is fine, the right need to be a little bit adjusted. So let's make a call. I don't know if the hazards would work or not. I think only people behind me could look at that. I put it in brake mode. I haven't messed with any settings yet, so Google Assistance, that and all I don't have. But so let's just call my mom. Yep, definitely the left speaker is spot on. The right need to be adjusted, a little bit adjusted. Audio quality is okay, as I said, average. The call quality is also average. So for 7,000 I think it's good deal guys, but for 10,000, hello. So that's it guys. My mom says that the wind noise is very drastic it seems, but my voice is clear I think. Okay, now she is calling me, let me attend. How easy is it to attend the call? Hello. వినపడుతుంది. నీ వాయిస్ క్లారిటీ సూపర్ క్లారిటీ ఉంది. నా వాయిస్ ఇంజిన్ సౌండా? ఓన్లీ విన్ నాయిసే వస్తుందా? ఇప్పుడు స్లో స్పీడ్లోనే ఉన్నా, 30-40లో అలా ఉన్నా. సో ఇప్పుడు ఫుల్ క్లారిటీ ఉందా? ఓకే 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 డన్. ఓకే బై. So that concludes it guys. So I need to adjust the mic a little bit. There is clarity. I can hear my mom's voice very clearly, so there is no issue with that, but definitely my voice need to be adjusted. Might be there is this wind noise, so wind isolation I need to mess with that. I don't know the exact settings, so I will completely configure the setup and give my opinions in the detailed review. So as of now, one thing I can clearly say is for 7,000 rupees I think it's absolutely fine for what I need, but not even a penny more. Bluarmor has priced it around 10,000 rupees, so for that price I don't think it's worth. Spend some extra 3 to 4,000, get the Cardo Spirit HD. That is the one I actually wanted. So one thing is clear, the mic is not at all properly working, especially my voice is not clearly audible to others. That was clear, so make your judgment upon that. But for me, yeah, enough. For 7,000 it's pretty much doing what I want. Okay, if the wind isolation works better, I think yes, it's a steal deal for me, especially for that price. Okay.